New hope this morning in the fight against COVID. Johnson & Johnson have filed for emergency use authorization for its single-shot vaccine. This comes as more than 750,000 Americans have gotten a shot in the past 24 hours. Almost 28 million Americans have now received at least one dose. Whit Johnson starts us off from Yankee Stadium, where a mass vaccination site is opening today. Good morning, Mitt.
George, good morning to you. You said at the iconic Yankee Stadium, now a mega site for vaccinations. You can see the setup behind me here in the Bronx. The first pitch coming with 15,000 appointments in one of the hardest hit communities in the country. And there is new hope on the horizon. The Johnson & Johnson vaccine now one major step closer to saving lives.
Overnight, a major milestone in the fight against the pandemic. Johnson & Johnson filing for emergency use authorization. The single-dose vaccine, 85% effective in clinical trials for preventing severe illness, and claims to be 100% effective at preventing hospitalizations and deaths, even against that highly contagious South Africa variant.
Even if you were to contract COVID on this vaccine, you have a much milder course.
The FDA planning to review the data and hold a public hearing February 26, which could mean the first shots possibly going into the arms of Americans as soon as March 1st. The U.S. government expecting 100 million doses to be gradually shipped out by the end of June. Johnson & Johnson would be the third vaccine added to America's arsenal, joining Pfizer and Moderna.
We are at war with this virus. It is clearly a national emergency.
In Pennsylvania, the Allegheny County Health Department reporting over 15,000 calls made per second throughout the day for their new vaccine appointment hotline, with only 750 slots available.
I don't know where Pennsylvania shots are, but I sure can't get one.
In Arizona, the National Guard airlifting vaccines to a small rural community to inoculate the elderly. And today, famed Yankee Stadium opening its gates to vaccinate thousands as New York State ramps up efforts to reach underserved communities.
Now, amid growing concern about those new variants, the FDA is out with a statement saying that they are monitoring them and deliberating all of the possible impacts on vaccines. For example, they still believe that the vaccines offer protection, but they are exploring ways to alter them and perhaps improve them in the future. George?
Okay, Whit, thanks. And we're also looking at one of the big questions on the table, how and whether to vaccinate children.
Exactly, George. I'm a parent. You're a parent. We know that studies are underway right now on children, and Dr. Anthony Fauci says they hope to have enough information to be able to start vaccinating kids ages 12 to 17 by late spring, early summer. And then after that, they'll have to take a look at the data, and if it shows that it was safe in that group, they can then expand the studies to younger children after that. George?
Okay, Whit, thanks very much.
Well, hey there, GMA fans. Robin Roberts here. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Lots of great stuff here. So go on, click the subscribe button right over here to get more of awesome videos and content from GMA every day, anytime. We thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the morning on GMA.